Now it's time for you to be a ninja. You will train in my dojo for the rest of your life until you can beat me in a fight.
Ah! Oh, I'm Christopher. Nice to meet you.
Hi! Are you ready to become a ninja?
Sure, yeah, okay.
Do you remember the first time we met? With my
Yeah,
sick
wow, that sure was a long time ago.
Shut up! Did I say you can talk?
Sorry, sir.
It is time for you to fight.
Okay.
Can I stick with you for now?
Sure.
So when we come back, we'll have an army.